Hi, thank you so much for choosing Auto Excel to be your next repair facility. My name is Cole and I'm the leader here. I want to take you through the shop, show you who we are and what we do. So come on in and join us. We are a family owned and operated company since April of 2010. We've been serving the Lexington area. My father, Mike, with the help of his mother and his two brothers, opened up the shop back in 2010, and we have since changed the shop from just fixing vehicles to now serving people. Our motto is simple: helping people make decisions that improves lives. That means every recommendation we make to you is to keep you safe, confident, and stress-free on the road. Here at Auto Excel, we work on all makes and models. Domestic, Europeans, Asian vehicles. No matter what you drive, our top-notch, experienced technicians are ready with state-of-the-art equipment to get the job done right. And the best part, there's no initial charge on evaluations. We know that convenience matters. That's why we offer shuttle rides anywhere within the Lexington area, optional pickup and drop off for your vehicle, and a team that works thoroughly and efficiently to make sure your vehicle gets back on the road safe and sound. We back up all of our repairs with a 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty that is nationwide, so you can trust your repairs will last. When you walk through our doors, you will always be greeted with our friendly front office staff who genuinely love serving people. Our whole team operates on biblical-based principles which guide us to bring joy, honesty, and integrity into everything we do. We are proud of what we've built, and we'd love for you to experience the difference here at Auto Excel. Whether it's routine maintenance or a major repair, we're here to treat you and your vehicle like family.